Now, my Volkswagen CC is a great daily car, but there's one thing that does annoy me, and that's my work van has a better spec in it. Being a 10-year-old car, this does not have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But luckily for me, we have a solution. Eonon has kindly sent us a CarPlay Android Auto system, which is going to be a direct fit in this Volkswagen. We're going to remove this, fit theirs, and we're also going to upgrade it even more and fit a reverse camera. Right, let's crack on. Right, so this is exactly what we've got in the kit, and there should be everything here we need to install this. Now, this is a dedicated fit for my car. As you can see, there's a shape around here which follows the contour of the original car, and when it's fitted, it's going to look factory. So we've got all the connectors and electrical gubbins install it. We're not going to be using all of this stuff, I don't think, but everything should be there. Now, the beauty of this system is all the standard steering wheel controls will work after it's fitted. We don't have to worry about anything like that. It's got a Canline controller, so everything, like when you put it in reverse, all that stuff should connect up as it would a factory car. We've also got a little reverse camera, which we may not use if I'm honest. I'm going to plug it in to test it, but I do have a proper dedicated Volkswagen number plate light reverse camera, which will probably look and fit better than that. Now, one thing I really do like about this is it actually comes with instructions telling you what everything is, because a lot of these products you get don't. So it tells you every plug does, and also tells you what all the wiring does, which is quite good and unusual. And you get a user manual, and it's got a troubleshooting section, frequently asked questions, and how everything works. Explains how everything works, which is very handy because you don't always get this stuff. So yeah, first impressions, I'm impressed. Let's pull out the old radio and get this lot fitted. Now, I've never removed a radio from the standard Volkswagen CC, but I can't imagine it's overly hard. So I bought a trim tool, and I believe this cowling just comes off. Now, what I could have done was Google it first, but I didn't. So I'm just going to go for it. Look at that. And I was correct. So I'm just going to unplug this out of the way. Then we've got what look like Torx 20. Yep, they are. 4 Torx 20 screws. And out she comes. As easy as that. So the main loom literally just plugs in, direct fit. You don't have to do any modifications. And then what I do like as well is it's got a proper factory antenna adapter. Now, again, some of these kits don't come with these. So yeah, that's a big plus. If you watch the video where I did a CarPlay on my Skoda, it's different system, different manufacturer. It didn't come with this, I had to buy one. But yeah, this is already connected, which I'm impressed with. So I'm assuming now it's just a case of plugging everything in, and that's going to work. So aerial, and then this goes into the factory aerial. Lots of outputs, don't really know what they're all for. Subwoofer, auxiliary, audio, microphone, lots of bits. But anyway, we're going to plug them all in. That's the main power supply. Brake shift control. Backup camera, ground. Nice. Plug that in. You can't get the plugs wrong. They're all slightly different sizes and shapes. So although it is daunting because there's a lot of them, it's straightforward. You don't need to worry. I think that's it for that side. So it does also come with 3 external USBs, and if I'm honest, I'm not going to use them, so I'm just going to leave them off. Got a GPS antenna. Now, if it's using CarPlay, you don't actually need this because it works off your phone. But if you're not on CarPlay, if you're just on the standard radio features, connect this up and it should work. Again, in my Skoda, I didn't fit it because I didn't feel I needed it because I used the CarPlay. And we've also got an external microphone. It's quite a big item, if I'm honest. I'm assuming I'm going to need this for the phone. And that just plugs into this lead here where it says external microphone. So it's really simple. If you follow the clear labels, you can't really go wrong. And finally, we have the reverse camera. Which, like I say, they're okay, these. They work, they do the job, but I don't want it just mounted to the bumper because I don't think they look as nice, so I'd rather fit an aftermarket unit which goes in the number plate line. So you've got power supply there, which is a red one, and then you have your video cable. Now, from the looks of things, the power supply does need wiring up. As you can see, that end, there's no power supply. We'll see if it works anyway. Backup camera input. So connect that up. That's a ground. Backup camera 12 volts. So you literally, everything's labelled, you literally just connect them to up. Now I will need a crimp for that, which I do have. Not everybody will have, so that's the only thing so far in the kit was missing. Right. Ignition is on.
Recording started.
Right, so I've just connected the Bluetooth up and Android Auto is booted straight up. Volume's working as you can see. Yeah, impressed so far. Screen looks good. Volume sounds good. I'm obviously using the steering control there. Turn the volume down because I don't want to be copyrighted, but as you can see, the steering wheel works, lets me skip, which is perfect. The volume works. So I've just connected the reverse camera, and if I put it in reverse now, look at that, beautiful. I'm hoping you can see this, but the temperature gauge. On a Volkswagen of this era, if you turn the temperature gauge up, it tells you on the radio. As you can see, that's saying 20 degrees, it says 20 degrees there. Turn it down, 19.5, 19.5. Heated seats on position 3, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 is on there too. On 2, 1. So absolutely works perfectly. I'm really impressed with that. Same for the heater blower. Turn the heater blower up. You can just about see, but as you can see, it's going up and down with it. So that's perfect. Right, what I'm going to do now is actually get it bolted up and see what she looks like fitted properly. So, because it's already got a built-in microphone, I haven't used the external mic because I didn't want to take all the dashboard plastics out and then route the microphone. And if I'm honest, I think that will suffice. So this is the most easy DIY way of doing it. It's literally 4 screws on that cover, plug it all in, and you're connected. It's as simple as that. Anyone can do it in half an hour. So, and there we go. That is fitted. Isn't that great? I'm very impressed. And the bit everybody likes. Beautiful. And as you can see, there we go. It's set to Volkswagen, Volkswagen CC. And I need to set the year to actually that one. That was incorrect. So there we go. Another cool thing is it tells you various details about the car. For example, got 13 litres of fuel left in the tank. Park brakes on. Vehicle speed. Kilometres. Tire pressures are all good. Stuff like that is pretty impressive, if I'm honest. That's it, all fitted, guys, and I'm very impressed with it. Now, overall, I would give this product a 9 out of 10. Now, I was gifted this product, I haven't bought it, so I'm going to be completely crystal clear with you there. But from what I've seen of it and from what it does, I would definitely go out and buy one of these myself. So yeah, if you are interested in one of these, I do have a unique discount code in the description below. Have a look at it. They sell loads of different vehicle specific radios, lots of different stuff. Have a look on the site, see what they offer. If you are interested, use my discount code, get yourself a bargain. But yeah, overall, really impressed with it. The touch sensitivity is really good, and yeah, the display is good. Can't complain. The sound's good. It does exactly what I expected it to do. So yeah, over the moon. Hope you enjoyed the videos, and I hope it's going to be useful for you guys if you do purchase this and you want to know how to set it up. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more. See you later. Bye bye.